Alright guys, so we're on Phoenix Avenue right here in Kingston, Jamaica. Just taking a look at a development that we've been tracking. The last time we came here it was only a steel structure. It's right in front of us. What I'll do is to put the link for that video that we did a few months ago. But right now we can see where the commercial development is taking shape. It's 4 floors. It's right there in the right of the screen. Right here on Phoenix Avenue in Kingston. So that's the property we're taking a glimpse on today. And as I mentioned, we took a glimpse a few months ago. It was only the steel frame that was showing. But right now they're almost finished with most of the work. So it's a commercial development. Has a lot of spaces for shops and stuff like that. Alright guys, so it's 8 Phoenix Avenue. So they'll also have a rooftop deck area as well. And again, this is a commercial property right here in the city of Kingston. It'd be amazing to see where it's coming from. I'll put that link for that video in the comments so you guys can quickly see where it's coming from to this stage. In my opinion, it's moving a bit slow because the last video I did was actually 10 months ago. Alright guys, so today's video was sponsored by Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. So whatever your loan needs are, definitely check Kris and Charles. So we are standing in front of their main branch right here on Eureka Crescent in Crossroad, Kingston. This is their main branch. They also have a location in every single parish, so definitely give them a check. They have all type of loans. They have personal loans, auto loan, EduPath loan, micro business loan, funeral expense loan, credit card refinancing, debt consolidation. So whatever your needs are, definitely give Kris and Charles a link. And you may not need a loan, but you may know a friend or a family that's interested in a loan. Definitely give them a buzz, and just remember to like their pages and follow them, especially that they're partnering with Raymore Reviews. Alright. So it's moving a little bit slow, but still showing you guys what's happening here. Once we're finished highlighting the building, I'll continue driving on the road because this is a commercial road. I don't think any residential properties on it. So this road has a lot of potential because there's still some empty lots and some dilapidated structures on this road as well. So stay tuned for that, guys. So again, Phoenix Avenue, commercial development on its way to completion. Alright guys, so there you have it, some glimpses of the 8 Phoenix Avenue commercial development. There was a billboard there showing the completed structure, but they removed the billboard. I guess probably it's now fully leased, because even 10 months ago they're releasing it, so probably it's now fully tenanted. So on the right here is another empty property, but it's now fully clear. There was an old house on it. I guess now it's almost ready for development. So again guys, if you watch the older video, you'll see a billboard showing how the structure will look in its final stages. And as you guys are seeing, there's still a lot more old structure on this road, just waiting to be converted. And I'm sure these lands are not cheap. They're very expensive. So the other video I did, the older video, will definitely show how the structure will look when it's finished. So we're still on Phoenix Avenue, heading back out to Oak Road. And I said this is a commercial street, so a lot of different agencies, government agencies, Sports Development Foundation of Jamaica, you know, different commercial complex with different tenants are on this street. And I guess because it's close to Half a Tree, you know, you wouldn't find any residential attorney at law office. We see a medical facility. So yeah, Phoenix Avenue. It's basically in front of Devon House as well. So literally in front of us is Devon House, and to the right is Andrews. So I guess the road runs behind Andrews Memorial Hospital, so very central location. And then this exit, we came in on the other entrance, because it has 2 entrances. It's like a U, shaped in a U. So we came in on one entrance, this is the other, and we have Devon House in front of us, very popular recreational spot. And it's just a minute or 2, 3 minutes from Half a Tree. When you come down to this stoplight, it's Waterloo Road, and you're basically in Half a Tree. It's a very central location. You just need some more planning and development, and then it's good to go. So we'll take the right onto Waterloo Road, and then we basically end the video there. So again guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I know we haven't done a lot of update recently. You know, the lockdowns are fighting us, and ironically most of the lockdowns are on weekend, and that's when I do most of my reviews. But we're gonna get some more update coming across, and some of the construction that we have highlighted, a lot of them going on. So now it's gonna be a good time to get a update on the progress of the work. So you guys definitely stay tuned for those. As usual, remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe and share.